Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at ChargePoint. ChargePoint is a charging company for EVs. EVs are making a massive surge forward, led by Tesla, which also has a proprietary charging network. Now there's all kinds of charging networks out there, a lot of them, okay? By no means is ChargePoint the only one, but that's the one that I like the most. I'm not sure. They have a lot of good things. I've gone to see a lot of their locations near me, and they're good. Teslas are probably better now that their Teslas have opened up to everybody. We'll see how that lasts or what's going on there. But the infrastructure bill is getting really close to passing, or if it's already passed by now, I don't know. But I know there has been a few hang-ups with it. So, as momentum builds, it seems like ChargePoint is getting a boost. Now, I know they have some contracts and stuff like that, but as EVs grow throughout the US, we're going to need to really build out the charging infrastructure. Now, where that money comes from is TBD, whether it's from the government, from private investors, from just profitability of the company, reinvesting back in it to itself. If that's the case, it might be a little slower growth. But with most of the U.S. clamoring for EVs now, especially with higher gas prices. Gas prices are going to the moon. And that's not what you want to hear. When you were trading crypto and trading stocks, to the moon is a good thing. When we say inflation to the moon or gas prices to the moon, not so good. All right, that's just me. Because I got to fill up my car too. So not good. Although once I get the EV, it'll be a lot better, hopefully. And we get the solar involved. That'll be good too. And stay tuned for more on that. You guys can see what kind of car I buy. Tesla or one of the other EVs out there, Go EV, or Aptera. They have a cool car. Goes 1,000 miles. Crazy. Doesn't really help ChargePoint so much, but it's a good car. Anyway, back to this technical analysis. Sorry for the getting sidetracked. Here we have a buy indicator. Definitely moving above the 20-day moving average. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to, if it's on the trajectory it's on now, it's going to definitely bust through that 200-day this week. And if it does, that's a really good signal. I like that a lot. That means I'm going to buy like crazy and sell cash. Well, not going to buy. I'm going to sell cash cover puts like crazy. I'm probably going to do that this week either way, because it looks like all these indicators have been strong and going higher for quite some time, and I don't see any signs of it letting up. So good time to sell cash covered puts, lower my cost basis of the stocks that I do own, and make some cash flow in my account. All right, guys, tell me what you guys think of ChargePoint. Think it's awesome for the long term. I think it could easily blow through this $50 high that it's had before in the next couple of years once EV adoption is there. And once more than 4% of the cars sold in the U.S. are EVs, once it's more like 50%, people are going to need chargers like crazy everywhere. So, sky's the limit. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.